Coming to you from the ReachMD studios, I'm Dr. Charles Turck. The following is a brief news summary of a recent report about Ohio's most populous county declaring that racism is a public health crisis, as reported by ABC News. On May 26, 2020, commissioners in Franklin County, Ohio passed a resolution in support of the Racism Public Health Declaration and vowing to work under anti-racism principles when supporting community efforts. Commissioner Kevin L. Boyce said in a statement that racism has been a pandemic long before the current coronavirus pandemic. The declaration by the commissioners, which was part of their 2019 Rise Together blueprint for addressing poverty in central Ohio, came a week after the Franklin County Board of Health also passed a similar resolution. It describes race as a social construct with no biological basis, identifying two types of racism: individualized racism and systemic racism. Individualized racism is described as internal, while systemic racism is referred to as a setting that provides opportunities and assigns a person's value based on how they look. Housing, healthcare, education, employment, and criminal justice were explicitly named as areas of life where discrimination is seen, particularly in healthcare. Racism has been associated with worse health outcomes, which was brought into sharp relief by the COVID-19 pandemic. In addition to being at a greater risk of contracting coronavirus, African Americans are also more likely than others to die before the age of 75, have a 3 times higher rate of infant mortality, and are more likely to be overweight or obese and have adult-onset diabetes, based on data from the Franklin County Board of Health. And according to Commissioner Marilyn Brown, we won't solve these things overnight, but it's important to start by recognizing them and beginning to work purposefully for change. Since Franklin County announced its declaration, many other counties across the nation have followed suit, contributing to a growing movement. For ReachMD, I'm Dr. Charles Turck. For more details on this news report, visit abcnews.com. And, as always, to add your perspectives on the fight against this global pandemic, visit us at reachmd.com and become part of the knowledge. Thank you for listening.